A particle of weight W rests on a rough inclined plane which makes an angle alpha with the horizontal. If the coefficient of static friction mu is equal to 2 tan alpha, find the horizontal force H acting transverse to the slope of the plane when the particle is about to slip. According to the problem, this surface is rough and its coefficient of static friction is given as mu tan alpha. He said that a particle of weight W is resting on the rough inclined plane. He is asking to find out what is the magnitude of the horizontal force H when the particle is about to slip. So if we draw a free body diagram for the block, its component of weight W sin alpha will act along the inclination in downward direction. It is given H is acting horizontally. Now the resultant of these two forces F net will act along this line. Since H and W sin alpha are at 90 degrees to each other, the magnitude of F net can be written as under root of W sin alpha whole square plus H square. Now when the particle is about to slip, this F net force is balanced by the frictional force which is acting opposite to F net. So F net is equal in magnitude of limiting friction. And if we draw a free body diagram perpendicular to the inclination, we will have normal force acting perpendicular to the inclination in upward direction, and this normal is balanced by the component of its weight W cos alpha. So F net is equal to limiting friction is written as mu times of normal reaction force. So F net from this equation is substituted as under root of W sin alpha whole square plus H square, which is equal to mu s is given as 2 tan alpha. So 2 tan alpha multiplied by normal, and from FBD it is W cos alpha. Squaring on both sides and rearranging, we get this equation as W sin alpha whole square plus H square is equal to as 4 W square sin square alpha. From this we can write H equals to as 3 W square sin square alpha whole to the power of 1 upon 2. So from this H is equal to root 3 times W sin alpha. Therefore the correct option is